Hey there, Tiffany here. I wanted to do my honest review of the Lifetime Adjustable Table. This is the 4-foot. It is super easy to set up and put away, and it is super durable. I really love this table. I've used it for a lot of craft projects or kids drawing on it, coloring, not on it, but coloring in their coloring books on it. And it has 3 adjustable heights. So as you can see, you just pop those legs out and then there's little red buttons. You slide those together and slide up the leg, make sure it locks into place, and then you do the other side, locks into place, and then I'll show you it goes a little bit higher so you can do a little bit taller table. And then there is one more height adjustment. Make sure to not pull the legs all the way out. I've done that before. You can put them back in, but there's just 3 heights that it adjusts to. So I will flip it over, and it's a little awkward to flip over by myself on the side, but I still did it. There you go. And you can see that handle right there on the edge. That is super handy. So you can easily carry this, and it's really sturdy. I've put my serger on top of this, my sewing machine on top of it, and sewn things. And you can see it has a nice color. It has some flecks or some specks in it. So if it does get a little dirty, you can't really tell. And then I'll show you how easy it is to put down. So you just turn it upside down and slide in those red levers and push the legs all the way down. Make sure the metal piece is slid right. And then you just fold in the legs together. They snap into the table, so they are not going to come loose, which is fantastic. Then you grab it by the handle, pick it right up, and carry it wherever you want. I would highly recommend this table.